Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how you can add friends on your Snapchat web. So in order to add friends on Snapchat web, all you have to do is watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So then to begin with, first thing first, go ahead and open up a browser. On the web address bar, type in web.snapchat.com. This is going to take you to the Snapchat web. So make sure that you already logged in. So as you can see, once you're logged in, it's going to show you the interface something like this. So right on this page, you'll be able to find all of your chat history and all sort of things. Unfortunately, you'll not be able to add friends using your Snapchat web. So for that case, you'll have to use your mobile device and then add the particular user accordingly. Using a web version has some certain restrictions, such as you'll not be able to see Snap, nor you'll be able to add friends. In order to add friends using your Snapchat web, what you can do is you can go ahead and install a BlueStack Android emulator. So all you have to do is just install the particular application and you'll be able to get the Android version of all sort of things. After you're done installing it, you'll need to go to the Google Play Store and you can try installing the Snapchat application, and from there you can create an account, and after you've done in downloading it, you'll be able to add friends using your Snapchat web. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.